Hey y'all, we are getting moody today with our minor chords through the circle. We are going to play this hand separate first, start with the right hand, then the left hand, put that hands together, and then we'll slowly speed it up through the exercise. So here we go with the right hand setting up to a C major chord first, pop that middle finger down a half step, and that is how you find the minor chord. Here we go with C. Going up to G, again, just like your major chords, we are going to reference the top note to get ourselves through the circle of fifths. Okay, so we'll come down to E here. Throughout the exercise, we're going to use B as kind of a resetting point, both B and B flat, so that will come back down as well. This one makes you have E in the middle here, B in the middle for this chord, for the G sharp. Here's all black notes for E flat. Here's our B flat, so we came back down, and there's F. Awesome. Feel free to repeat that as many times as you need to until that's nice and comfortable. Same exact thing with the left hand, starting with C, up to G, popping down to D. You're gonna find that throughout this exercise, D, A, and E are all partners. So if one has all white notes, all the rest of them have all white notes. Down to the B. That'll help to keep you on track a little bit more here. For this C sharp chord, again, E in the middle. G sharp needs B in the middle. Those are kind of tough to work out there, just since there's the two white notes to choose between. Here we go, back up to F. Awesome. Again, feel free to take that as many times as you need to before we try hands together. We go a little slower, hands together, starting with C, and up to G, down to D. Now notice I'm always giving you those prompts way sooner than what we need to. And what I'm thinking here is my eyes are looking out for the next chord. So already my mind's on B. Here my mind's already on F sharp. Okay, and if it's a little bit easier to even move to the next chord before you need to play it, like this, hop to the next chord first, then play. Hop to the next chord first, and play. You can even use the pedal to your advantage to do that. That way you can sustain the chord, and you don't just get a short chord and then hop to the next one. Here we go, speeding that up just a little bit. Same exact thing here, just a little faster. Up to G. Again, thinking ahead, down to D. Get those eyes moving faster than what your hands are. Down to E. Again, if you want to just pop to the next chord and be ready for beat one like this here, that would be totally fine as well. Down to D flat, C sharp I mean. Always thinking sharps for these chords here, and the reason behind that is just key signatures. So as you learn more about key signatures, that will start to make sense. Those sharp chords are just a little more common than the flats. Here we go, back to C. Yeah, I think this is my favorite part of the song. I just love it so much. Awesome, up to A, down to D. It's a vibe. Up to F sharp, C sharp with E in the middle, up to G sharp, down to E flat, and down to B flat, up to F. Awesome. From here on out, we are going to do it 2 times through without a break in between. Okay, so starting with C, up to G. I'm going to also stay out of it a little bit more here, just so you can start thinking ahead without me helping you out with it. Give you a little bit more independence with it. Just as long as you're bopping along, you're doing great. And again, back to C, up to G, down to D. I'll let you take it from here. Make sure you're thinking ahead, looking ahead, eyes moving faster than your hands. Awesome, kicking it up a notch. Here we go, a little faster. Back to C, up to G, D. Again, I'll let you take it from here. I'll help you out in the middle when we repeat the circle. to F, back to C, G, D. Awesome, you're doing great. If you can keep a beat somewhere in your body, my foot's popping off down here. It's just going with the beat. That will help to keep you on track as well. Here we go. Double time. I will help you through this. C, G, D, A, E, B, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, E flat, B flat, F, C, G, D, A, E, B, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, E flat, B flat, F. Good for you. That was awesome.